give you an update on NEAR, bit of NEAR protocol coming through. What we're going to be doing here, we're going to be going through this from a technical analysis perspective, looking at potential buying areas, potential trade areas, and sort of a price prediction as to where we think this could be going over the next week or so. Okay, so without further ado, let's get straight into it. If you like the content, smash a like on it, all that good stuff there. Looking at market structure to start us off here for NEAR, you can see that the market structure is obviously bullish. It's a really nice uptrend. These are all the confirmed high lows that we do have. The most recent unconfirmed high low that we do have for NEAR actually sits down at around $4.18 there, which is unfortunately quite a long way down from where we're currently at. I'm talking a 48% retracement. Even if we retrace 48%, we're still in a bullish market structure, so just be aware for that. We could do that. I don't think we're going to do that. I'm very bullish on NEAR, and I think we've got massive upside to be taken advantage of here, and I will go through as to why. But yeah, overall, that would be the market structure summed up there. Let's talk Fibonacci before we go any further, guys. Swing low to swing high coming through from here. You can see the Fibonacci retracements are plotted in on my chart here. 0.236, 0.382, and the 0.5. The 0.5 signifies whether there's going to be a strong reversal of the trend. You can see we came down, we tested that. We got the support. We got crowdfunding support there, banging near, straight the way back up, looking for a very strong macro V-shaped recovery here, looking really strong overall. Just referencing Fibonacci. Recently, with the Bitcoin pump, we did see there was quite a lot of resistance at this point here, guys. You can see getting shoved down continuously along the 0.236 Fibonacci. And from this point, it's actually very bullish because you can see we've actually broke this high here, guys. We've got the high coming through and we've broke it really nice. You can see basically inverted head and shoulders chart pattern, basically sending us to the goddamn moon again, right? So I do think there's a lot of things lined up here for NEAR to have that continuation to the upside. The fundamentals behind NEAR very strong as well. Now, obviously, bull flag scenario. This is the measure move for the bull flag. Taking it somewhat like that. We've got the break, we've got the retest. We're moving that measure move from the retest break point. This will be the top side here, and the target price for that measure move to be completed is around $8.57. So that would be the point to really be looking out for there for the resistance. So let's just take the horizontal and put that up there for the resistance to basically play out. You can see this has actually formed heavy resistance previously. So in terms of like a short-term move to the upside, I probably would expect NEAR to just sort of send here. Would expect NEAR to sort of send up for around 4.79% quite easily here. Having the continuation of the trend, it's looking really quite strong. One thing I do want to, I don't think it's going to just explode, but we have to be vigilant of other trend lines in the mix here. And what I mean by that is essentially what I'm doing on the chart here. You can see, oh, okay. That makes a bit more sense, okay? I was thinking that it was going to be a bit more like down here, okay? And yeah, it's not quite there. So it's actually like up here is the main sort of trend line, which does line up pretty perfectly with this this top side measure move completion as well. So yeah, that's another sign that we're going to be heading up to that sort of level. If you look at momentum from this trend line, upward sloping trend line to the upside, you can see very strong. Usually coming up and tapping this top side. So yeah, NEAR is looking very good overall for continuation. Quite impressed here. Let's look at the quantum insight on the 4-hour and see what we're working with there. So stochastic on the daily is pretty high. We haven't seen the curl over happen just yet, but it is pretty high and momentum is getting there as well. So it's slightly worrying, but you can see the momentum point that we do have to break here. It's ridiculously high, so it's quite unlikely that we do come up and test that. But basically, this is signifying that we will probably have continuation here, that we have broke these clear momentum levels. And the fact that we were in a declining momentum sort of state, as you can see here, we broke this high, and then we actually set a new little low here. So, okay, we set a low, and we broke that low to the upside. So it does show that the momentum is in a progressive stance to the upside, and that does basically give us a bit more confidence that we're going to see us come up. But what I would say here is that this is basically primed up for a pullback, guys. So just be aware, 855 is going to be the pullback zone for NEAR. It looks very strong overall. And the pullback is probably going to be quite strong considering that we do have this momentum point here as well. As long as we don't break this to the upside, then there's going to be a really nice potential short position down as well from this area. Okay, so I probably would be banking on that really. Rather than longing near now, it's a bit too late in the entry. I would be more inclined for a lovely, lovely short here. And then just simply having like, let me just, is that not working now? There we go. And then just simply having some sort of stop loss above this high here. It's the higher high that I'm talking about on the right-hand side. And then just sort of doing probably a 1-to-1 position here. That's very, very quite likely to sort of play out. If you are looking for a short position here on near protocol. Yeah, so overall, looking pretty good on near, I'd say. Not too bad. Let me know if you guys like that update on near. Drop a like on it, and in the comment section, let me know what you think. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm streaming Monday, Wednesday, and Friday as well. And yeah, that's going to be your update on near. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.